Ooh, the box. That down. Ooh, it's a lot of. Welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to unboxing this KitchenAid stand mixer. So as you can see in front of this, guys, so this is the new version of professional KitchenAid stand mixer. So it comes with it says here bowl left stand mixer. So this is one of my favorite mixer stand. So as you can see in here in the box, guys, this is what it comes with inside of this box. So it's never been opened, it's sealed. I received this 2 weeks ago. I just don't have time for unboxing this because, you know, it's holidays, Thanksgiving, so it's been busy with the kids and also basically for preparing for Thanksgiving. So anyway, guys, I don't want to talk too much. So anyway, guys, keep on watching. This is basically my birthday gift for myself. So I decided I want to reward myself. I really want this for baking, making some bread, and I know I love baking. So this is I have KitchenAid before, but it's different type of mixer stand. This is like bowl lifted, like as you can see is way up here, and the other one I have is just over here. Different. This is a different kind of KitchenAid stand. This right here. Open this, guys. So right here it's sealed. So I have scissors here. Let's open it, guys. I've been wanting this for so many years. I said, you know what, I want to reward myself for my birthday. So I don't regret what I purchased for my money that I earned for baking. So I make some money for making some bread, and you know, I decided for upgrade a new version of KitchenAid stand mixer. So first thing first, this is what it come out first, right here. When I open the box, this is the one it shows inside the box. Right here is in the back. So this is all kind of right here. This is all kind that you can hook it up for this machine. And the bottom one, this is a bowl that you can add on if you want a glass or you want a different color. Yes, this is colors right here, guys. So in the back you can make right here you can replace, you can make some pasta noodles, zucchini. This is this right here, this is what accessories. So here, guys. So put this one here. So this is the, what is this? Let's see. I want to see, this is what right here. So this is the lid for the bowl, so don't, you know, spill or anything. So So guys, so this is the mixer. What is this? I think this is a dough mixer. Let me see. Use speed 2 only. So this is the little sticker in the front. It's hard to see. It's hard to read. Can't read it. So it's so hard. So this is the dough mixer. I think so. Yeah, this is the dough mixer. Here. So I'm going to put this down because I can't put it up all the way. So I'm gonna put it in the floor, guys. So I'm gonna put it over here in the chair. So what has in here? So this is the congratulations on your new stand mixer purchase. So this is the KitchenAid stand mixer bowl lip. So this is the manual, the guide. So here it tells you in here. So how to hook it up. Alright, this is the manual. So, now I'm gonna have hard time to pull this box out. Goodness, this is so heavy. Okay, empty box, and this one it dropped. This one, the box, and this one is the, what is this? So this is the, okay guys, yeah. Box. That down. Ooh, a lot of. It's all tiny. So this one is a scraper. So this one is registration. Registered with your smartphone. Register in a minute. Get exclusive benefits. So, okay. So this one, of course. So right here, you can extension accessories. Right here, guys, you can hook it up some kind of accessories like earlier I showed you guys for making some pasta or noodles. You can hook it up like this, accessories. You can hook it up over here to make you can make your own pasta noodles or spaghetti noodles. So this is the lower down. I'll show you guys. This is the adjustable. This is the lower down, and going up. You want it a little bit higher, and lower it down if you want. So right here, and you can take it out the bowl. As you can see right here, just pull it out. It's the ball. You can buy a glass if you want a glass. So this is the ball. It's the handle. This is, I think, is 5 quarts. Yes, it is 5 quarts. You didn't see anything here, but it says 5 quarts. And just hook it up. This is the hole right here. Each sides they have hole. So we hook it up each side right here. And by the way guys, I just forgot to show you, this is the back right here. There's a little hook right here, so you can hook this one first in the front, on the side, and make sure that one is popped in the back. So here you go guys, that's how you hook it up. I know I have a little struggle there. So this is how you hook it up together. This is on the side, on this side, and this is, you can try this one. Hook this up right here. So you have to peel this one first. Peel this one first. There you go. And then it's in the side, and this is the adjustable, the speed adjustable over here. It's the speed. You can speed 1, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 and 10. It has 10 speeds. So lower down, a little higher. This is kind of neat guys. So this is guys, so that's all I want to show you guys, unboxing my KitchenAid stand mixer. Is new version of bowl lift, so it's professional mixer. So ayan guys, as you can see, and oh yes, I forgot about this one. So I'll show you guys how to put it up here. So just put it here, so the way when you're mixing something, it won't spill. Just pour the flour or ingredient over here, won't spill the ingredient out of it. So it's kinda, so after you pour the ingredient or flour, and you won't spill any, you don't make a mess. I mean, make a mess of course. So that's it guys. So that's all I unboxing my new KitchenAid stand mixer. So ayan guys, thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment down below what you think about this video, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!